Now that we've learned how to create a property within HostHive, let us introduce you to the property page. This is where you'll find all the details of an individual property. Now, let's take a look at our calendar integration feature. This will allow you to sync your calendar reservations with your service calendar. As an FYI, if you don't see the website integration you need, you can click the option to request integration support. We are pretty quick with requests. Now, add your calendar link, select your service partner, select the type of service they'll be providing, and last, choose the default checklist you'd like to use. Feel free to use the general one we provided or create your own. It's optional because you can always choose to add or edit it later. Now hit save, and you should see your calendar refresh.